In this video, I will show you how you can create your campaign using Google AdWords. So first, make sure to log in to your Google AdWords account and you will see this plus campaign. Click plus campaign. So there are options here: search network with display select, search network only, display network only, shopping, video, universal app campaign. So in this tutorial, I will just pick search network only. So now you need to create a campaign name. I will create a campaign for this landing page, how to make residual income. So for this campaign, I will just use here residual income. Here on type, all features, click OK. And let me just put back here again our residual income. So or load settings from existing campaigns. If you have any existing campaign, then you can just click here. But since this is a new campaign, so we will not do anything here. For network, just check this, include search partners. Next is devices. Nothing to do here because ads will show on all eligible devices by default. Now let's go to locations. Which locations do you want to target or exclude in your campaign? You will be given some options here. So you just click let me choose because you do not want to blow out your budget. And you can enter a location to target or exclude here. For example, a country, city, region, or postal code. So let me just put here United States. And you will be given some informations of total reach here. And you can just click United States country and click add. So for this tutorial, I will just use this country, United States. And for languages, you can choose the language of the sites that you'd like to add to appear on. So be sure to write your ads in the language that you target, since AdWords doesn't translate ads or keywords. So for this, let's just use English. Next, bid strategy. Choose how you'd like to set bids for your ad. So you just keep this manual CPC. And for this enable enhanced CPC, just leave this unchecked. For default bid, you can just enter here. The bid applies to the first ad group in this campaign. So we will create our ad group in the next step. So I'll just put here $1. And for my budget per day, I'll just put here $5. Your actual daily spend may vary here. So you can just put a budget per day that you are comfortable with. What you can do here, you can identify your monthly budget, divide that number into 30 days to help you identify your daily budget. Next is delivery method. So this is advanced. So for delivery method, you just click this standard. Optimize delivery of ads, spending budget evenly over time. This is recommended. And for ad extensions, this is for advanced and we will not talk about this in this video tutorial. Now let's go to advanced setting. So schedule, start date, end date, and ad scheduling. Just click this. So you can indicate here the start date. So we'll just indicate here June 2. And for the end date, let's indicate our end date. Click this one and your ad will stop showing after this date. Okay, unless you change this later. So I'll just put here until June 30 of 2016. So for ad scheduling, show ads all days and hours. Now, if you do not want to blow out your budget, I highly recommend to click this create your custom scheduling. So let's say our target is working people. So we can just click this all days and choose Monday to Friday or every Monday only, Tuesday, Wednesdays. It depends on your target users. So I'll just click here Monday to Friday and the time, let me just put here. So we'll just put here, let's say we start 11 a.m. until, so it's a working hour. So let me just put here 3 o'clock p.m. For display clock, I'll just leave this as is, 12 hours. Ad delivery, ad rotation, dynamic search ads, campaign URL options. This is for advanced and we will not talk about in this video. Once you're done, just click this, save and continue. Now, let's name this ad group. To give you an idea how you can name your ad group, you can go to Google Keyword Planner. From your AdWords account, just go to Tools click Tools. And then you will see this Keyword Planner. Click Keyword Planner. Now, if our keyword or keyword phrase is residual income, I'll just put here residual income. And then click this Get Ideas. So you will see here Add Groups Ideas and Keyword Ideas. You can click this Add Group Ideas. And it will give you some ideas about the ad group name, like business residual, income opportunities, make residual, earn residual. So in my case, I will just put here make residual income. Now we are ready to start to create an ad. So just click this text ad. So for headline, Google will give you up to 25 characters here. Since my ad is about how to make residual income, let's see. Let's type it here, how to make residual income. So our character is more than the 25, so let's make this make residual income. And down below here, build residual income with ease. So you will see here, our description line 1, it's beside this headline. So this is the new setup from Google. And here your description number 2, I'll just put here my call to action. So get free training today. Since if I will go here in my residual training, this is my call to action. Get free training today. Display URL, this will be your website. So in my case, I will just go to my funnel since I have my tracking URL here. So this is my landing page that I want to advertise specifically in Google. So I will just grab my tracking URL for Google. So this is my URL tracking that I will use for my ad. So if I'll view this page, this will be the residual income that I want to promote. So I'll just go back to Google AdWords and I'll just paste here my URL. And for final URL, where you want to direct people when they click your ad. So the same URL that I'll put here, which is this one. So in here, the display URL, I can just remove this GS55 and I'll just leave it one step up by jc.com. Okay, so it will look better. But when they click this one, those users will go and be redirected to this final URL. So now for keyword, I will just type here the exact keyword that I want to target. So if this is my landing page, how to make residual income, and if this is my ad group, make residual income, what I will do, I'll just go here to Google Planner and I will see here what keyword that I can use. So like here, I can use make residual income. So I'll just use this one. So what I will do, I will put a positive sign here in front of each word. So make, and then positive sign, residual income. And then enter, and then I'll go back again to Google Planner to have some keyword ideas here. How to make residual income. So I'll just put this one, how to make residual income. And another one, another keyword that I will use is ways to make residual income. Okay, so I'll just type here ways to make residual income. So if you want to tell Google the exact keyword phrase that you want to target, make sure to put the positive sign in front of each word. So I normally use 3 keywords per ad group, at least maximum of 5 keywords. And then you will see the default bid here. So this is the default bid that I inserted before, which is $1. And you can adjust this later on separately if you want to. And after that, you can just save ad group. So we're done creating our campaign as well as our ad group. And you will see here the keywords that you've created. So you will see below first page bid. First page bid is estimate is $1.52. So this is my default bid. which is $1. So if I want to adjust this, I'll just click this one and I'll just put here $1.52. So this will be depending on how much you want to pay for this target keyword. So this one, how to make residual income, this one is eligible, which is good. And this one, make residual income below first page bid. So first page bid estimate is $2.37. If you are willing to pay for $2.37 for this keyword, then you can just put here your price. Okay, so I'll just put here $2.37 and then click save. So that's all for now. Make sure that you stay tuned to my next video.